Guys, this is a Kawasaki pump. This is a we are keep new pump. This pump by new pump. Okay, and now this is going to fix tomorrow. This pump. And come here, show you. This one is a proportional valve. This is a proportional valve. ऐसे आ रही इलेक्ट्रोवा कंट्रोलर आ रही proportional valve आ रही. This is a proportional valve P1 and this is a proportional valve P2. Pump 1 and pump 2. Pump 1 and this is a pump 2 proportional valve. मेरे when is electrical is not working, electrical is not working, रोचा रो देनी आर मुसब रो इलेक्ट्रोवा प्रॉब्लम आ रही तो मोदिया खाली मेरे एस बोलती हूँ मोक से नहीं हूँ ऐसा छोटा सलाबी दाके ने तो एस बोलती हूँ दाऊ चीरो ऐसा आत्मेर कासी पोनियान एस बोलती आ रही एस बोलती सलाबी गा के थे तो एस उनका दाऊ चीरो रोचा देनी आ रही मुसो इलेक्ट्रोवा रो प्रॉब्लम आ रही तू कंप्यूटर का पूछ देवा तू रामे का पूछ देवा तू देनी यार मुसो तू मातोरी प्रॉब्लम इखने बा मातोरी बेवरी बोली इखने बा जाला बेवरी आ रही प्रॉब्लम आ रही गाइए तो मेरे ऐसे थी आ रही ना तो मेरे सारी ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम ऐसे कंट्रोल नहीं आ रही ये सारी त्रिस्ता ओसिम दिशा चिने बा रही ये सारी एस मुसो बारी त्रिस्ता ओत्सी आ रही गाइए ऐसा समासी ओत्सी जे मुसो गाइए मेरे से सुल जो मागाली चिने बा रही ऐसा त्रिस्ता ओसिम दिशा तारी गाइए ओत्खोमोत्सी ऐसा समासी ओत्खोमोत्सी आ रही मेरे रोचा गिंदा रोचा रो जाला उंदा मोहम्मद तो सही लगा जाला मातोरी आ रही जाला आ रही गाइए तू जाला उंदा मोहम्मद तो ए सारिया खा रही ऐसे बोलती छोटा सलाबी गा के थे ऐसे बोलती छोटा सलाबी गा के थे तो छोटा उतना मोहम्मद है वैसे दाऊ चिरो रोगोरे सारी ऐसे थी उतना दाऊ चिरो तो ऐसा जाला मोहम्मद है जाला सही लेबा 80 मिनट का सही लेबा आ रही 80 लिटर आ रही 80 पका छाई 80 मिनट का 80 लिटर तो छोटा मोहम्मद है तो 80 ओत सीखने बा 80 आती इखने बा तो मेरे जाला मगारी इखने बा गाइए मेरे कागज मुसो ऐसा रही खाली आ रही मेरे ऊका रही ऊका पतरा पंप आ रही ना ऐस ऊका पतरा पंप आ रही ऐसा जोस्टिक पंप आ रही ऐसा आ रही ऐसे जोस्टिक पंपा तू जोस्टिक जे जाला आ रही गाई के जाला आ रही कारगर मुसो गाई के सही लेबा रोमानो मित्र उंदा गा के थो नाखो उंदा तू जाला चिनेबा दबाली आ रही सही लेबा ओत्सी चिनेबा आ रही माकराम से उंदा चिनेबा उंदा और से ऐसा ओजदा आथी उंदा or Motsyunda. Maybe this is when your pilot pressure is not getting proper. Maybe there is pressure maybe coming maybe 20 bar, 30 bar, 20 bar, 15 bar. So you can increase here. Look here. This is here. This is open. This is a little bit. This nut is open and this screw must be tight. Tight to maybe increase pressure. Pressure increase. No pressure going to increase. Maybe how much you need 40 bar, 30 bar. And that's why that's enough. Also, here is all is this is electronic pump. This is a complete electronic pump, electronic controlling system. This is electronic controlling, everything electronic controlling. This is no mechanical. This is a professional valve. Also, this is a regulator. This is controlling, electronic controlling. When I already told you, when here this professional valve not working, electrical system may be having problem. This is a manual setting. This is manual screw. This pump has broken. This is one pump is broken. Let's look, guys. This is a before. This is a broken. This is a broken pump. Look. This is a condition. This is a look condition. This is a badly broken. This is repair not possible to repair. This is a throw. We are going to throw out. This is not possible to repair. That's why this is a during operation time. This is a continue working. And maybe this is why this is a damage. Maybe this is a hydraulic. Maybe going very hot. And otherwise, another this is a question having. This is a maybe this is some this is neck is broken. This is one neck is broken and operator cannot understand. Operator is not care. This machine sound is changing. He run the continue machine. Continuous machine. That's why this is all broken. Do you understand? Maybe when you working machine, when you work machine, maybe sound is coming, extremely sound is coming. Maybe you can stop the machine and rectify sound where this sound is coming from. This is best. That this company property is not destroyed. You get a before information and stop machine and find out that's better, and don't get this is a company property destroyed, and like time to time is a maintenance. Also this is a time to time maintenance. This filter having hydraulic filter. This hydraulic filter, this is a suction filter. This is a must need between. They must need a 1,000 hour. 1,000 hour when it's coming. Maybe this is a must change. This is a gun filter. This is also this filter is also this is a returner filter. This is must be changed. This is when you want to this pump is live. You need to long time working this pump. You thinking our pump is working long time and machine not break down, nothing problem anything. Then you must be care of about machine like your wife. How you care your wife? Like you care your machine. You don't think it is a company machine. You always think it is our machine. And your responsibility, you proper care of about machine, and when you sound coming, when operator is saying maybe something is broken, maybe that's why that time stop machine and rectify the problem. Look this is maybe possible to repair, and one barrel. This is a pump number 2. This is possible to repair, and after that maybe when I have get a free time, this is a lapping. This is here, and this is this side. This is complete lapping, and after that this is a spare pump. I put this is safe places, and when requirement, and after that this is our fixing. Okay, look this barrel, this is position. This is completely damaged. Everything is damaged. Okay, guys, this is what I know, guys. I always share with you, nothing hiding anything. What I know, I always share with you, and you must care about that machine. You don't ever think that is a company property, and we don't care. This is not my property. This is never ever think this is negative, and always think positive, and do your best always, and take care of machine, guys. Okay, guys. Have a nice day, and God bless you, all of you. What I know, guys, I always share with you guys. And be happy, be positive, and always learn something new, and always teach each other. We are learning each other, guys. हम लोग एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं, सिखाते हैं. लाइफ में अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो सीखिए और सिखाइए और आगे बढ़िए. ओके, बाय गाइस. हैव अ नाइस डे, एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. This is also a servo pump. This is a servo pump. This is a pilot pump. This is joystick pump आ रही. ये ऐसा रही. मेरे ऐसे गापूचे बुल कर ऐसे गापूचे था ऐसा था मेरे पामी नहीं आता ऐसा ना था पामी नहीं आता मेरे ऐसा की दिया खाली ये पंप आ रही खाली ऐसा रही विंडिलेटर पंप विंडिलेटर गिद्रोलिक विंडिलेटर पंप आ रही गिद्रोलिक Sorry, hydraulic ventilator pump, ventilator muso. This pump is for hydro motor, hydro fan. This is a hydro fan. रो जेथी छिपी गावा के गाके थो सारी hydraulic सा ventilator आ रही. This is a new complete pump for Kawasaki.